interesting information about Flixweed. Welcome to Afsan Farm Media Production Podcast. Are you looking for a nutrient-rich addition to your diet? Flixweed might be the answer. Flixweed is a nutritious plant with numerous health benefits. It is high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Flixweed can help boost your immune system. It also aids in digestion and supports gut health. Flixweed is low in calories, making it a great option for weight management. It can be easily incorporated into various dishes. Flixweed is a good source of fiber, promoting satiety and aiding digestion. It can help lower cholesterol levels. Flixweed is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, beneficial for heart health. It may help reduce inflammation in the body. Flixweed can be a great addition to salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Its high antioxidant content can help protect your cells from damage. Give Flixweed a try and enjoy its many health benefits. Flixweed, Descaraenia sophia, is an annual herb in the mustard family. It typically grows 20 to 80 centimeters tall with finely divided leaves. The small yellow flowers grow in clusters at the top of the stems. After flowering, it produces long, thin seed pods. Some key visual characteristics to capture in an image of Flixweed would be slender, upright stems, finely divided, feathery leaves, clusters of tiny yellow flowers at stem tips, long, thin seed pods when mature. If you need actual images of Flixweed, I'd recommend searching for photos on plant identification websites, botanical databases, or image search engines using the terms Flixweed or Descaraenia sophia. Let me know if you would like any other information about the appearance or characteristics of this plant that could help with finding or creating images. Thank you for listening AFMP Afsan Farm Media Production.